Okay, people, right. New arrivals today. I went and picked up this. I offered a chap, he had it up for 35 and I offered him 45 and he took it and I went and collected it. It's a record 34 steel, so it's cast steel. Alright, quick release. I mean, I bought it because it was a good price and I was going to resell it, but you know what it's like, don't you? George will tell you. When you got one and you touch it, you can't let it go. How about that? That's damn good, that, isn't it? Let's give it a winding. Alright, now that is a record steel from around the 1950s, 1960s. A bit more when I've cleaned it up, but yeah, this is a working vise. It's 34 up there, made in England there. That looks very good. A few dents. Maybe it was a hand-me-down. Smooth jaws makes a change. You get smooth jaws on a record. Maybe they've been replaced. No difference in weight between a steel and it's all very good under there, isn't it? Can you see under there? You can, can't you? Yeah. That is all very good under there. The grease has gone a bit manky, but well, I'll be doing it anyway. So that's the first one, £45. Bargain, I think, as a steel. So what is stronger than a cast steel, people? You may ask yourself. Well, I'll tell you what's stronger than a cast steel, and also I'll answer Scoutcrafter's comment of strange looking vise the other day. Oh, fucking hell. There you go. That is what is stronger. That is what is stronger than cast steel. That is a record 14p, and it is still steel. So this piece that goes, it goes across here, up here, around here, down here, and back across another lip, is one piece of steel bent, heated and bent. This anvil is an anvil. It's a fucking great block of steel mounted on top of the fucking great bit of steel. The lump of jaw here is a great big lump of steel, and this and this. You can see the weld around here. Down here, there's another one across here. It's solid. You can't break it. At the worst, if you had to do something evil to it, you might break a weld, and then you just re-weld it. This is again 1950s, 1960s. I did this about, I did this well over a month ago, and it's been on my oil radiator ever since. It is still, it's about 45 degrees centigrade, it's about 130 Fahrenheit, and it's been doing that for a month. So this paint is baked on. That is going to be my new everyday work vise to go with my other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 everyday work vise. Alright, so we'll slide over now to another acquisition from today. We'll move it one out from the way a bit. God dear. Yeah, we acquired this today. Came through the post. Oh, we've seen that already, Jim. No, you've seen the baby one. And there's the bigger one. Look at that. That's quite a bit bigger, isn't it? I still like that handle the best. But yeah, it's strange they're both missing a little bar down here. And that one's missing that, but for beauty, I don't think that matters. Do you? That's a pretty, isn't it, eh? I'll believe from memory the little one was 20 and that was £25. So again, a bargain. Right, another thing that arrived through the post, could be saving the best for last, people, could be, and it's not this. So this is another record 74, but for 25 quid. No one else bidded. 25 quid. I mean, sometimes they're missing. I've even got the bolt with it that goes through the middle. The bolt goes through there. So we'll give that a bit of a clean and see what it comes up like, and we'll get that one turned around, because obviously I have already got a few. One there, and a couple. So far we've got 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 vices to clean up a bit. Won't be doing that today. And this, I drove 40 miles to collect this. Take these. These are, look at that, I mean, got the imprint of the jaw, and they've been used quite a lot. Someone's done a very specific job with these, haven't they? The jaws are still sharp, they're like brand new. This is, well, you can tell by the colour of the paint, look. Right, you only get this brown paint from the around about the 1940s, alright? And I was going to clean it, I was going to strip it down to bare metal. But I mean, that's original paint. That is as good as you're going to get, isn't it? That's size A ball base vise. Spin it around and it will say Parkinson's, made in England. Look at that, it's lovely, isn't it, the way it goes around there. That's simple like that, and it's tight. And that's nice. So we'll have the jaws off, if they come off easy. If they don't come off easy, no doubt there'll be some person in the comments telling me that I've done it wrong again. And I tell that person, mind your own fucking business. You could have bought it, but I did. Alright? If you don't like the way I restore vices, 1, don't watch. 2, get out there and buy them first. Right. Well, I don't think that that's going to be coming off. No. So all that's going to get, that's going to get a clean across here, a clean across here, a clean across here. And then I think I'll hit it with a bit of degreaser. Get all this off. No, and it really is, it is degreaser, look people, it's not just WD-40. It is degreaser. That has got to be one of the smoothest movements ever. I mean, the reason that's going on eBay is because I've already got one. So that's it, it's just a quickie. It's just a quickie to show you what's happening. Oh, while I think about it, I've got the auction video as well, haven't I? Got the auction video. What do you think? be quick. I'm going to knock this